Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sorry it's hot out here. Was not ready for this, the heat wave that we've gotten. So I am here in Mattoon, Illinois. You can tell where I'm at. I can show you. I'm gonna take you through, right now is our preview for this auction. We had this scheduled. The auction closes tomorrow night at 7. Nope, the 28th at 7, not tomorrow night, but Thursday night. I'm going to take you on a quick tour, let you look around at what's in here. There are other customers in here, but I will answer questions if you've got them. Hank's in here, Alex is in here, so if you have questions that I can't answer, I can get a hold of one of them. I'll take you through a quick tour. Turn this around here. There is the sale bill that tells you all about it. That is also on our website. I put a link in the title of our video here so you can check that out. You can see each item that's listed for sale. This is a handy little display cart that roll around. You know, you're going to see a lot of different shelving options in this video. There's a rotating shelf that you can hang your merchandise from. I don't know if you guys saw my picture I posted earlier, but there's just an endless supply of display and organization, shelving and carts in this auction. It doesn't have to be for hardware, it could be for anything. Anything you've got at home, in your garage, in your shop, the stuff all applies to that. So why not buy it at auction price? These cardboard cutouts are for sale, shelving units, Werner stepladder, lot 24. Sorry, I'll try to show you guys lot numbers as I'm walking past stuff. Gondola shelving, a NAPA mat. And you are buying the whole unit. So you are not just buying a section, you are buying whatever it describes in the lot. So like for instance, this is lot 12. You are bidding on both of these units, both of these pegboard display units for one price. So lot 13, you are buying all 3 of those shelving units for one price. There is a table and chairs in this auction. There's an office chair. There are a few things besides just the shelving and the hardware. You are buying this whole pile, not just the one manual, but the whole pile here. You've got boxes of hardware, boxes of office supplies. There is a Mitchell Jordan. There's that thermometer that we're selling. I had somebody ask me about that the other day. NAPA customer service banner. This was the service counter that sat here. It was all pieced together. They've got it broke apart into 2-piece sections. That's what you are buying. This is lot 278. This is the section that has the cash drawer mounted underneath of it. You are buying that unit and the cash drawer. Soda machine is running right now in cold. And this is what I was talking about with the shelving. You know, these are all broke apart and ready for loading. So you are buying sections of shelving, 7-foot shelving. And there's more shelving here than what any one person could use probably, but that doesn't mean that you can't stock it and hold on to it for when you need it on down the line. There is a glimpse of all of the metal shelving units I was talking about. And each one has a lot number on it, so you are buying that shelving unit. Here are some of the tool lots, open-end wrenches. There's all the pegboard hooks that you need if you're going to buy into that pegboard shelving. Wood workbench also could easily be relocated into your shop or your garage. More pegboard hooks. If you are bidding on any of that pegboard shelving, display boards, you're going to need these, and you might as well buy them here as opposed to going and buying them brand new. They're going to work the same. Carry, I don't know if you've looked at this auction yet, but there are gobs of options for display and organization units. So make sure you at least scroll through. Neat signage. Air compressor. There's the brake lathe. That is lot 1. You know, for this item is lot number 262. You are buying all of that, all of the bricks and the boards. You know, buy it, take it apart, use the boards, use the bricks. You don't have to use it as a shelf. People are planting gardens in these bricks. People are using them to make their own storage shelves. These battery shelving units are awesome for display. They're just the right size. They're lightweight, easy to move when you're going to shows or taking your stuff to flea markets. And they look great. This little unit is nifty. Again, I'm not seeing this as a hardware cabinet, guys. I'm seeing this as some kind of organization unit for anything you've got. Melts, beads, bands, jewelry makers. This is an ideal, you know, it's movable, would work awesome to organize anything that you have. I love that. It's lot 285. I've got more wood shelving. I've got metal.
It's all shelving, just like this is all it is.
See what else I can find here. Engine hoist. You know, why not buy this stuff at auction prices? It's good stuff. It's ready to be taken out of here today and used tomorrow. So Hank's looking around. What are you going to bid on, Hank?
Hopefully nothing.
Bradley's on here watching. Carrie's watching you. They're all looking. They couldn't make it to preview, but they're checking it out on here. All right, guys, did I miss anything? There's a neat unit down there. If you did not see something on the video that you are looking for, let me know that. I'll be here for probably the next, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes after I post this video to our website. So if you have questions beyond that, you can always shoot us a text, give us a call, contact us on Facebook. The office number is 217-235-5795. One of us can always run up here and try to answer your question for you. I do realize this auction closes on Thursday night. You've got time to ask us questions. You've got time for us to get some answers for you. But everything is in the catalog. The link is in the title of this video. I realize I have the wrong date, so I'll fix that. But click on it, go check stuff out. Give us a call, shoot us a message if you have questions. But there is a pretty good preview video of everything that we are selling in the NAPA auction. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.